Hi there, welcome back to the channel. We've got blue sky and sunshine, so I'm going to use that as an excuse to take this little pickup for a drive because it hasn't been out since last year, and you've got to keep driving them, otherwise they start to seize up and break down and stuff. So any excuse to get a drive. So sun's shining, we're going to take it for a drive. Quite lucky really where we live. Right on our doorstep we have south of County Durham, Dales, and we have the North Yorkshire Moors, literally 2 minutes from the house. So it's perfect for a nice little drive out. This particular road I'm on now is the road to the Stang, which is the Stang Forest. Beautiful part of the country. Really nice place to live. This road actually takes you to Tan Hill Pub, which is the highest pub in England. It's about, I don't know, 20 minute drive from here. It's quite high. We can have sunshine down here, but it can be snowing up there, and I'm not exaggerating, that's kind of how the weather is. Once you start to climb up the mountain, you get on the top, there can be snow and ice and sunshine here. I can actually see snow on the hills there, so we'll see how it goes. So we're coming up the Stang. It's quite a climb for a couple of miles. It's a good test for the car, see if it makes it or not. We've got a little bit of snow on the sides of the roads. There's not much snow, but there is a little bit around. There's definitely snow there now. Must be rush hour. Treat that one as a roundabout. pedals like a race car. Oh, did I say race car? I meant pedal car. Little pickup's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's getting us there. Tackled some really big hills coming up over the top of that mountain there. I spoke too soon about the potholes. Might not see on camera how steep that is, but it's quite steep. That was the first gear corner. First gear's a little bit tricky on these because there's no synchro, so you've got to be stationary or pretty careful when you're trying to change into first while moving. Having for lunch. So this is Tan Hill Pub, highest pub in England. I don't know what height it is, but it's fairly high. It's not actually a mountain, it's just a big hill, but I don't know, I've been calling it a mountain, but it's apparently just a hill. So yeah, they regularly get snowed in here. Those of you who might remember the Everest adverts from years ago. They put Everest double glazing in here and they made a whole series of adverts about it. See, they've got a snow plough, must be standard for up here. So we'll have a little pull in here, cup of coffee. That's good.
Oh, there. So there's room two. These guys in it might make sense. Yes.
You can almost see my house from here. Go back a different way than the way we came. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a road just over there somewhere, way in the distance. I think that's the road we have to take out of here, which obviously starts just there and heads away over there in the distance. It's quite bleak up here. There's not many trees. I guess it gets quite windy. So we're talking to the guy in the pub, the barman, and there is actually a road closed sign there, but it goes to the left there, we're not going that way. But it says yesterday it was snowing an absolute blizzard up here. And we were only like, I don't know how many miles, 18 miles from here, and we had a little bit of rain. But he says this was just a whiteout yesterday, and the road was like that main road, or they call it the main road, but the main road through here was actually blocked and closed yesterday. So most of that snow's gone, there's a little bit left. That would fit on the front of the pickup. I weld up a couple of brackets. I could fit that to the front of the pickup. Good idea? So we've just crossed over the border from North Yorkshire into Cumbria. So this is our third county of the drive. That direction there we're looking at the moment, that's more or less towards the Lake District. We drove for about half an hour that way, being the Lake District, towards Keswick and Windermere, that sort of area. The actual coast-to-coast walk from I think it's St Bees to Robin Hood's Bay, it's about 90 miles. Not that I've ever done it. That comes across this way as well, so that'd be quite a walk for Sunday afternoon. I like these sort of tours where we have no idea where we're going. As I was going back into County Durham again. Storm blowing in. That's the weather changed. Blue skies have gone, sunshine's gone. Blanket of grey. Lovely. Yeah, nice sunny day for a drive. Well, that's a day of two halves. Set off blue sky, sunshine, and now it's grey. So at least it was in the last 5 minutes. So anyway, that's the video. It was just a sunny, started sunny drive out. It's just nice to give that a run out. It hasn't had any use this year and towards the back of last year because the weather's not been good. I'm going to wash off the wheel arches because there was plenty of salt on those roads up the top where the snow was. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a like if you have, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you on the next video.